and full of guilt that I haven't done enough for my dogs. I haven't shown them the world. One have fervent belief that the universe will provide because there's literally infinite abundance out there. So how's it feel being here?
Amazing. I love quieter places.
Did you enjoy India more or America? Bro, it's properly cold. Proper cold. But good stuff. Happy for Gugu, he saw Landor. Are you ready to roll, miss?
Yes,
Where are we headed?
Landor.
And why are we headed there?
Because it's Mother's Day.
Because it's Mother's Day.
And it's a very special day.
And it's a very special day.
Bro did not get manipulated.
Alright, we are going to Landor. We're just driving up and taking the doggos along. So I think it'll be a good trip. Let's see how that is.
बस ऑलमोस्ट रेडी बैग पैक करिए छोटू का
और बच्चों के लिए क्या क्या उठाना है
एज एन
लाइक पानी केबल
टेबल तो घर पे है नहीं वील इनको वहीं पर थोड़ा सा अंडा ब्रेड खिला देंगे ना एंड पानी के लिए एक बोल में उठा रही हूँ
ठीक है उठा लो
हाँ ठीक है
I have made the beautiful houses of mud and stone my only capital. I was mistaken and got so engrossed in the love of these beautiful worldly things that I did not go and sit beside the Lord's spouse. All my spiritual merits have flown away, and evils like hypocrisy have made abode there. Okay, we are finally ready to head to Mussoorie. We'll just drive uphill. It's going to be a gentle drive. We've never taken them to Mussoorie, in fact. For somebody that is pretty active in daily living, I feel kind of embarrassed and upset and full of guilt that I haven't done enough for my dogs. I haven't shown them the world. One time we took Oika to Chandigarh, took him to a cafe, JC's. She was there, so very kind of her to let Oika come in the indoor space, which is not pet friendly. The outdoor space was pet friendly. I don't know if JC's is still there. Gabi, I haven't taken him anywhere. I've taken him to a river in Maldevta, and apart from that, nowhere. So today, just want to take them into the hills. We'll see how the situation is. We'll manage it. And want to do more with them. Want to do more movement-oriented things with them because they love to move. Hi, John. So excited. Gabu Hani Spenio. थोड़ा अराउंड नाबा बाई क्लैरिजेस के आसपास चले गए तो एक ही बात है Homies, they see us rolling. Hi Gags. Gags, do you want to say hi to YouTube? Gagu, are you excited, Janu? Gagu's like, bro, can you drive? Can you not be a vlogger for a moment? Gabba, jump, let's go. Chalo. Gabi, are you excited, Janu? Okay, we've just had a change of car because we don't know how the cruise would perform in the hills. That baby is not so reliable anymore. कहीं भी बंद हो जाती है, बंद हो जाए तो खुलती नहीं, खुल जाए तो बंद नहीं होती. There's a lot of stuff that keeps happening, so we're headed. This car will be very comfortable. Gagu loves the other car, he's more comfortable in it, but we'll manage. Saw the Audi TT after ages. Growing up, man, this was such a gold car. Like, one day we want to have it, one day we want to have it. Audi TT. But yeah, so this car we would drive in like video games and stuff. Just spotted an HR26 number. Ooh, good old days where everything seemed out of reach. And now everything seems within reach. And once it does, of course, more abundance tends to come your way. So just have fervent belief that the universe will provide because there's literally infinite abundance out there. Whatever you need, whatever you truly crave and desire, it's gonna be there. Don't you worry about it. So we've crossed that toll. I don't know if our toll has been paid or not, but locals technically, I mean, we've never paid before. But yeah, and now we're headed ahead. Cars are moving slow because it's Guggi's first time, so we don't want to like make him uncomfortable. A lot of sports bikes everywhere, and you see the weather is marvelous. Just look at that. The Queen of Hills is queening. We're at 6,000 feet. This tanker bhai sahab needs to be overtaken. Okay, why is he going? Okay. So this market, this is Landor Bazaar, and it's supposed to be one way, but this dude's coming to save the longer route, but chalo theek hai. The point is, imagine the times this was not one way. And also, imagine getting the E-class here. That will be something. I mean, I would give up. I would give up on life.
I'd give up on life.
I would park it and go. This car is also lovely. The Volkswagen. Bro, it's properly cold. Proper cold. Jasmine Kaur was wise to carry a light jacket. Properly cold.
Up to Gadi is not bordered with currents.
A lot of you watched the... So anyway, let me tell you about the drive. We saw a cow get on top of another cow, impregnate or hump, whatever. We saw 2 convertibles. We saw a bunch of sports bikes. So yeah, significant traffic. Significant traffic for sure. And the weather is marvelous, better than what we expected. So here we are. And I'll show you a bit of Char Dukaan now. Hi Tad. How are you, John?
रुक जा टैटू
रुक जा.
ठीक है तू मेरे को भी मरवाएगा खुद तो मरेगा यही रहे उसके एक बच्चा भी है ये वाली हाँ
Gabi. Oh yeah, now it's silent. We're away from the crowd. So how's it feel being here?
Amazing. I love quieter places.
Did you enjoy India more or America?
Definitely India.
Yeah. We would enjoy America as much if family was there. Then for us, geography doesn't matter.
I think place is with the people.
It's all about the people. You can be depressed in London. You can be depressed in Dehradun. You can be happy in London. You can be happy in Dehradun. It's really about vibes.
Provided your basic needs are met.
Yeah, provided the basics are met, of course. Dude, we can go to Cafe Ivy. Landau Bakehouse will be so crowded and it has terrible food.
But Lando Bakehouse, the problem I have is it's all sweet, no savory.
It's all sweet stuff. Savory क्या नमकीन होता है?
हाँ.
Ooh, I didn't know, sweet and savory. Manisha, ऊपर चलते. I'm so happy we could get Gags.
वो देख टैटू
It is truly Mother's Day because my sister is mother to not only these babies but also her human child now. And she wanted to celebrate Mother's Day this way. Her human child is here,
I think
my nephew, and the babies are here. So this is true Mother's Day. My Mata was supposed to be here, but she's I want to sleep and I want to rest. Huh?
कुछ कैफे आई भी
तो कैफे आई चलते हैं. Bakehouse is so crap.
चलो लेट्स ट्राई दिस
Bakehouse में आज तक कुछ अच्छा लगा है?
मीठा मीठा ही होता है सब नथिंग
And it's all coffee is so bad. Fabulous tree.
तो में से किसी ने मशरूम यूज करना है
मैंने. Alright, it says 9:30 online that it'll open, but apparently it's 10:30.
करने आई सफाई करने आई
Ta-da! So we're waiting for coffee because Landau Bakehouse, firstly that Cafe Ivy was shut, right? Landau Bakehouse is not pet friendly, so they're going to pick up coffee for us and we're just vibing outdoors. And Teddy, man, if we don't hold him, the guy will just stand on this ledge. And look at the kabad. Damn it. तो तुम्हारा गांव चक्राता से कितनी ऊपर है
5 किलोमीटर आ गए
और कितनी देर लगती है? आधा घंटा?
आधा घंटा 10-15 मिनट
पर वहाँ ज़्यादा लोग नहीं होंगे. और क्या नाम है गांव का? भंगार। और वहाँ ठंडा नहीं होता ज़्यादा,
ऐसे ही होता है ठंडा हर समय,
है ना?
स्वेटर पहन के रखते हैं हमेशा।
Okay, man, that coffee is taking ages. But yeah, good vibe. I'm just glad we got Gabi to do something different than usual and got him out here, you know. The purpose is fulfilled. Come. Yeah, Joe. And rest. Now excited to go back, hit the gym, etc., etc. And overall, yeah, a lot of people. I'll manage, yeah. This is the popular Rokeby Manor. नहीं मैं ठीक हूँ. It has rooms, villas, so it's worth it for a stay once. I think it's worth it. I've stayed here once. Worth it. You can walk around, slow down. Because like us, if you come from Dehradun, then you have to rush back. But here you can just walk around. Yeah. Now we'll have bun omelette.
गगू वाटर टैटू ये ले वाटर पियो पी लेगा तू आगे ओए नहीं बन रहा ऊपर चला चल के
Oh, give more treats, na?
ऑमलेट बनवाते हैं।
We finally sat down at this busy place. Huh? This is Char Dukhan. This is one of the original Char Dukhans. And I think we've over-ordered. We've ordered a lot. I'm looking for Landor Tip Top Tea stall. There was a 30-minute wait, man. Too many, the populations. Bro, we ordered bun omelette, which is fire. Momos are very sad. Paratha's decent. Maggie's fire. Ginger honey lemon tea is fire. And we've ordered a plain omelette without salt and veggies, and one plain bread for the doggos. Overall, brilliant, but the traffic is insane. I think we'll get a lot of traffic on the way back. But koi baat nahi. I'm just glad we showed up for the dogs. Because there was a moment when we woke up in the morning and we're like, chal rehne dete yaar, chodo, all of that. So we executed it, whatever we thought. Hi, Gugs. Gugs, do you want to say something? Gugs is sniffing. Tad is also sniffing. Let me show you Tad. Look at Tad. Cho Chundar. Tad Bedinder. Yes, Gugs. How do you do? Bro, insane amount of people. I've never seen this much traffic. It's also Sunday. Gabi and I both are so relieved that we are in the car. We are not travelers. Home is 2 hours 20 minutes away apparently. And Gaggu's like, chalo, ab chale to pahunch hi jayenge. But good stuff. Happy for Gaggu. He saw Landor. He also ate at Char Dukhan. Jasmine, how was your break?
It was good. I just think we overate.
Overate. Manisha, kaisa laga?
बहुत अच्छा
खाना कैसा लगा?
अच्छा था
अच्छा था? खाया तो कुछ है नहीं आपने?
खाया
खाया? चलो बढ़िया.
मुझे वो तो दिखा नहीं तुम्हारा जो पैक कराया तुमने.
Okay, one thing what these cops have done is when Landor gets very narrow, they've made it entirely one-way traffic at a time. So they'll stop you for 15 minutes, let the other guys go, and then stop them for 15-20 minutes and let you come. And this way, exiting Landor is very smooth. And so basically we are on these roads and we've basically exited Landor pretty much. Now we're on the way to Dehradun. It says 40 kilometers, 2 hours, whatever. Of course, this is crazy timing. But those tiny Landor roads were the tricky ones where we've gotten stuck so many times. But this time we didn't get stuck because they've entirely managed it. You know, this is similar to that analogy. You don't fix things until they get too ugly. So if you have a leaking roof, if it just leaks every now and then, you won't fix it. But if it gets moldy and it's about to drop on you, then you'll fix it. Yeah, which is whatever. So anyway, the exit was smooth. Now hope to get back home on time. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog so far. A lot of traffic on the way back. Home sweet home, baby. I woke up at 5 in the morning, and I'm entering my house at 2:30. What did I do today, man? I'm not a traveler. I'm not a globe trotter. I'm not a miles collector. I love this beautiful place I call my house. Happy to be back. Because my legs are so sore, my ass is so sore because of Bulgarian. Chalo ji. I मत पूछो कैसा इतनी थकान इतना लंबा ट्रिप.
बेटे यहीं से कहा था और मैंने ये कहा था कि अगर तुम नाश्ता वाना करते हैं सबसे बढ़िया रहता. भूख लगी है तो नीचे उतर के करते हैं ना नाश्ता कहीं.
अरे नहीं, वो लैंडोर से जो डिटूर है वो बहुत लंबा है. लैंडोर से उतरने में तो टाइम ही नहीं लगा.
अल्पी तो कह रही थी पहले ही जाम में फंसे हुए हैं.
No. Okay, so grateful to be back safe and sound. Gabi safe and sound. Everyone is safe and sound. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Yeah, I guess I have nothing else to say. I'm pretty exhausted. I need to put out a brand video today, so that will have some of my attention. I need to put out the YouTube video. That will have some of my attention. Thank you all. We'll have a nice lunch. Probably take a nap after. See you all. And hit abs at the gym as well.